Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and I want to talk about Akamai. Who knows? I heard the name said in Germany. I've never really heard the name said in the US. So what they do is they have a content delivery network, which means that they basically cache static assets on websites. So anytime there's a picture or the style sheet or things like that, they deliver it basically in the whole world, and that way it comes from a server closer to the person requesting the site, and the site loads quicker. And they used to be pretty much the only company making a service like this. But number one, there's many big websites now that kind of try to do that themselves, and two, there's other companies that are doing this now. They're still by far the biggest, and they have the best connection. So if you're looking for something that will deliver your content for you, like static things, then this is still the best way to go. Current price is $109-ish, which gives them a market cap of about $19 billion. Dividend is 0. I don't expect that to change. There is obviously a lot of things going on right now with increasing bandwidth, increasing the size of things, especially like images. No one knows how to write a website anymore, so style sheets get bigger all the time as well, and there's JavaScript keeps getting bigger. So all the things are getting bigger, and obviously all that infrastructure needs to be paid for. So they still have a lot of things that they can't spend money on, so they don't need to pay a dividend. I wouldn't expect them to pay it anytime soon either. Revenue $2.9 billion, earnings $470 million, which is up like what, 50% ish, over 50%. Current PE is 33 with a forward PE of 19, which would be another increase of 50-ish%. So definitely going the right direction there. Total assets $7 billion, total liabilities $3.3 billion, which gives them a total stockholders' equity of $3.7 billion. Obviously, nice balance sheet there. I like that a lot. I like the forward PE. I don't really like the revenue growth, and dividend, don't think they have to pay one, but revenue growth is slightly small considering the earnings and the lack of a dividend. So as far as risk factors go, I already mentioned two of them. There is increased competition. I don't really think that's a problem, because Akamai is by far the biggest, by far the most connected, and the one with the best connections. So competition is not really a problem. The other thing is, as I said, most big websites have their own content delivery networks. Amazon, Facebook, for example, Microsoft either has one or partners with Akamai. So there are a lot of websites that kind of try to build up their own content delivery networks, but I don't think either of those are a problem, because obviously every day new companies are being created, new websites are being created, and so they will always be relevant. So overall, obviously for a dividend investor, there's absolutely nothing here. For a growth investor, this is obviously a growth sector. I don't know if we can extrapolate from that there will be huge growth in this company specifically, but I would assume that there will be after we're done with the recession from the pandemic. That is going to happen probably. Still, don't think a growth investor really would like this company at this time, so I recommend just not buying it. For a value investor, the balance sheet looks amazing. The forward PE is decent. The revenue growth is existent, and the lack of a dividend is not really a problem. So definitely look into this company and think about where they will be in 5 to 10 years and kind of go from there. I think it's a very interesting stock for a value investor. So don't think I'll be buying it myself because the whole recession thing, for one, and for another, I think there's probably better opportunities out there right now, but we're gonna just have to see where it goes. That's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.